What does an Anlagenmechaniker or Anlagenmechanikerin für Sanitär-, Heizungs- und Klimatechnik do? Plant mechanics for sanitary, heating and air conditioning systems install and maintain supply and disposal technology plants and systems. This includes a wide range of systems, from gas heaters to heat pumps and air conditioning. Jobs are usually offered by firms that install and maintain supply and disposal engineering technology, and by companies that manufacture sanitary, heating and air conditioning systems. Companies in the German crafts and trades offer excellent job perspectives for qualified professionals and opportunities for further training and specialization in your field. Are you interested in working in Germany? Here are 4 essential tips that will help you with a smooth transition, especially if you are from a so-called third country that is not part of the EU or the European Economic Area. Visit makeitingermany.com to learn more about working in Germany and about visa and residence procedures. Look for job offers that are related to your field of expertise and your work experience. Anerkennung in Deutschland offers in-depth information on professional recognition procedures. Call the hotline Working and Living in Germany or the Service Center for Professional Recognition for personalized advice. Please find specific information and web links in the video description.